You're probably paying for AI tools that promise way more than they actually deliver. Most of them can barely generate short videos. But this one is different. It can turn simple text into full YouTube videos. No script, no recording, no editing. And I didn't just test it, I actually used it myself. I made one video over 8 minutes, another over 9. I'll show you how in a second. We'll test it across different niches and see if it actually works. The crazy part? You don't even need to write a prompt. Now before we start, let me quickly show you how to set this up. It only takes a few seconds. Open Chrome and search for Notebook LM. If you're on mobile, you'll see Get the App option. You can download it if you want. And if you're on a laptop or desktop, just stay on the browser version and click on Try Notebook LM and log in using your Gmail. You'll land on this page. At the top, you'll see Featured Notebooks. These are examples created by other users. You can check them out if you want inspiration, but honestly, we don't need them for this. What we actually care about is this button here, Create New. Click that and it opens your workspace where everything happens. Now, here's the important part. You don't actually need to write any prompt. Instead, it gives you multiple ways to create a video. You can search any topic like sports, politics, or history. Or you can upload a file like a PDF, image, or document. Or simply paste a website link and it will turn that into a full video. So, instead of overcomplicating this, let's start with the simplest method, using a website. And we'll start with the first example, something that actually performs on YouTube, the money niche. Then we'll test a completely different niche and see if the results still hold up. I'll just search for passive income ideas. Pick one of these articles, like this one with 25 passive income ideas. And this is perfect, because it already has enough content to build a full video around. Copy the link and paste it in here. Now click Insert. Notebook LM will analyze the entire article, and within a few seconds, it gives you a clean breakdown of the content. And here's the interesting part. This is where most people underestimate it. Once that's done, look at the right panel. You'll see a few options here. Click on Video Overview. Now you get two choices, Explainer and Brief. We'll go with Explainer because we want a longer, more structured video. And this is where it starts getting powerful. Next, select the language you want your video in. Then comes the fun part, the visual style. You have got options like whiteboard, anime, watercolor, even paper craft. And honestly, this alone changes how the final video feels. Let's go with retro print for this one. Now, here's something most people skip, but it actually matters. You can also guide the AI host. You can either type your own instructions or pick from the suggestions they give you. This is where you can subtly shape the entire video tone. I will just choose the beginner strategy here and hit Generate. And now the process begins. It will take a couple of minutes to put everything together. But while it's generating, think about what just happened here. You took a normal blog post, and without writing a script, recording voice, or editing anything, you've essentially started building a full video. And if this works the way it looks, this completely changes how faceless YouTube videos are made. Alright, it's done. Let's play it.
That could be software coding, swing dancing, but as with all things, we've got to be realistic. Look, passive income is you could license your photography online are the perfect passive income generators. The cool thing is you can start this small.
This is actually impressive. Natural voice, matching visuals, real explainer structure. But here's the twist. It's over 8 minutes long, generated automatically. And it's completely free. No editing, no scripting. And you can download it right here too. Now let's try a completely different niche, something totally unrelated. I found an article on the Battle of Waterloo. I'm not going to repeat the whole setup again, same process as before. I'll just click Create New, select the website option, and paste the link. Once I hit Insert, it analyzes everything and gives me a breakdown. Then I go to the Video tab, choose Explainer, and set the language to English. For this one, I'll stick with the retro style, just to see how it performs across different topics. Then I set what the AI host should focus on and hit Generate. Now, it's turning that into a full video. Here's the result. And this one's even longer, over 9 minutes. This is actually better than I expected.
Today, we're stepping onto a muddy field, Battle of Waterloo. Here's the epic journey we're taking today and seize his power all over again. On June 15th, Napoleon's French army rolled in with 72,000 men. At 11:30 a.m., after a massive artillery bombardment, he sends in his absolute finest troops.
Even back in 1815, people realized they had just lived through something of monumental historical importance. That legacy even echoes all the way into modern pop culture. Why was Waterloo so decisive for the world?
This isn't limited to just one niche. And if this helped, drop a like and subscribe.